This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a power statement. The Harley-Davidson Breakout commands respect before the engine even starts. With a long low stance and a massive rear tire, this beast turns streets into stages. You're not ready for what comes next. Welcome to Ride Class, the place where legends meet the road. Thank you for joining us today. Your presence here shows that you live for the thrill, the beauty, and the freedom of the open road. Let's discover something truly special together. The Breakout is low, stretched, and muscular, with chrome shining from every corner and a 240mm rear tire. It's a showstopper. The wide front fork, sharp LED headlamp, and sculpted tank create a silhouette that looks fast even when parked. This bike doesn't whisper, it shouts. Its raked-out front end and drag-style handlebars are pure attitude. The chrome wheels catch the light, while the peanut tank keeps it lean. This is elegance blended with intimidation. Though it looks aggressive, the ride is surprisingly balanced. A low seat height lets you on the road. Forward foot controls and a wide handlebar make every ride feel strong, confident, and grounded. You ride this bike like you mean it. Powering this monster is the Milwaukee-Eight 117 engine, delivering raw torque and deep rumble. It's fast, smooth, and brutally satisfying. Twist the throttle and the Breakout surges forward like a muscle car onto wheels ready to dominate. Behind the classic design is smart tech. A digital riser display, LED lighting, and optional cruise control keep things modern without ruining the vibe. It blends heritage and innovation the way only Harley can. Starting around $22,000, the Breakout isn't cheap, but this isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle, a personality, and a legacy. To wheels, it holds value in both metal and meaning. That's why riders invest in legends. Riding the Breakout feels like owning the road. It's not just about speed, it's about energy, confidence, and power. You feel unstoppable, like every red light is a stage and every green light is a green flag to glory. Still wondering if it's worth it? Visit a Harley dealership, sit on the Breakout, feel the reach, the grit, and the rumble. That moment might just change your life. Some decisions you don't make, you just feel them. If this beast got your heart racing, hit that like button. Subscribe to Ride Class for more motorcycle content that fuels your passion. Share your dream ride in the comments. We love hearing from real riders like you. Thanks for joining us on this journey. May your tires stay strong, your road stay open, and your heart stay wild. This is Ride Class signing off. Until next time, ride fast, ride free, ride with fire. The road doesn't care who you are, but this bike will remind you the world is watching. Be bold, be loud, ride proud. Let every mile be a memory and every rev a declaration. You weren't born to hide, you were born to break out. Thanks for joining us on this journey. May your tires stay strong, your road stay open, and your heart stay wild. This is Ride Class signing off. Until next time, ride fast, ride free, ride with fire.